So you are probably familiar with how struct works, where the order of your members actually matter in terms of how they're represented in memory, where you can waste memory if you incorrectly order your members. For example, if we have a character here and this character is 1 byte, well, we're actually wasting memory here because the compiler will have to align the members to the largest data type. So here, even though this character is only 1 byte, since the largest data type, the largest member is a pointer, the compiler will need to align the members so that we're not doing any online access, which is a hardware thing where if you do online access in some architectures, online access isn't even allowed. Now, obviously, memory matters. The less space you're using, the more you're efficiently using the cache, and the less cache misses you will have. And that is especially important for arrays. So a thing you might want to do is reorder the members. So for example, if we have something like this, well, you might actually want to reorder them to this so that they're using less space. You're more efficiently using the cache, and now you will have less padding. But the thing with that is, if you have some code that initializes the struct, and you can see that this initializes the struct according to the original order. So every time we mess with the members, we're going to have to update this code to reflect on the changes that we've made, which is obviously undesirable. Well, C99 actually has a feature that handles this problem. So instead of just initializing the struct like this, you can actually, well, let's say make another struct here, empty struct. You can initialize it by the name of the members. If we initialize them according to their names, whenever we change the struct, this code will never actually break, well, unless you change the name, right? But whenever you change the order, at least, it will keep working and you will not have to refactor your code.